What?
It's not cooler than that.
I almost poked my eye out.
Sorry.
What's up, guys? I'm Angelo.
I'm Mariah.
And you're watching Dinkyland TV. Today we're doing the Don't Choose the Wrong Glove Slime Challenge. I'm like so excited because there's some good stuff, maybe even a little bit of bad stuff.
We also have colored gloves, so
Yeah.
we can't see.
A bunch of colored stuff. Yeah, like there might be some good stuff, some bad stuff. I don't know. Our mom packed it, so it's gonna be a surprise. Before we get on with this video, please subscribe so you can become a member of the Dinkyland fam. And also, we're gonna be giving shout outs throughout the whole entire video, so make sure you stay tuned to see if you get your name on the video.
Wait, before we start, make sure you give this video a thumbs up in 5 seconds. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, done!
You better done that.
Comment on our recent video.
And like it.
Yeah, and like our videos. So anyways, let's go!
Are we gonna be closing our eyes and thinking? Are we gonna be closing our eyes and
No, we get to pick whatever one we want.
Yay!
Alright, Mariah, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it!
Yeah.
Alright,
I always
so pick whatever one you want.
This one. I picked this one since my favorite color is blue.
Gotta be very careful with scissors. Make sure you have adult supervision.
He's literally my brother adult.
No, mom's behind the camera, so.
It's not working. I can't. Oh, yes. Whoa, they're little spinny things. They're fidget
Here,
spinners.
Mariah, here, let me help you cut the other one since you can't do it.
They're fidget spinners.
Fidget spinners.
See, they're yellow fidget spinners.
Whoa! Mariah, don't make a mess of that! Whoa, those are so cool. They're literally fidget spinners. Ah! They get it everywhere. Oh my god, you got 4 in my bowl.
Look how much there's like a
Oh my gosh! Yeah! Mariah, you're getting them everywhere.
Sorry.
This is gonna be a big cleanup job.
It's like so much. There's like 1,000 in here.
I'm going to pick this one.
Wait, dude, squeeze it again on the bottom. It looks like a bubble.
Good.
I'm gonna spin my fidget spinner. Wow, so lame. It doesn't
It's
even
so
spin.
sticky.
Two. This doesn't even spin.
Alright. I don't know why it's turning the sign. Pick your next glove, Mariah. Don't feel them, just pick it.
This one. Oh,
Oh, is
it's
that
Dairy
blue?
Cream.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Whoa!
Oh, it's coming out of the top.
That's cool. And it comes out in like these curly designs.
Bam! It's like literally just. Oh no, it's coming through the top and it went all over me.
And the next one I'm going to pick this one.
Alright, I wonder what that could be.
Me too.
I wonder if that's glue or something.
That's glue.
Yep, that's definitely glue.
It's green glue.
Never heard of anything called bright green glue. You know, there's nothing in. That can't be green glue.
Yeah, it is.
Green glue is not even. Is it like a glue glue?
Right, there's something called paint.
I'm going to pick now. I just can't stand up. This one. Ooh, this one feels weird. Yeah, help me, please.
I'm gonna help you.
Oh, jeez.
More beads?
More beads.
Actually? Mariah, why do you keep picking the beads?
I don't know.
Ah!
It's so, wait, it looks like a Christmas.
They look like ornaments.
I know.
Now I'm gonna pick this
Look at
one.
this. Just a
Okay, this is like super. I think it's activator.
I think it's water or activator.
I don't think Mom put in water. Whoa!
It's
like,
definitely activator.
the finger is pink.
This one. Ooh, this one feels like glue. How?
You have. That's so pretty.
What is it?
It's clear glue, but like with the color. It's pink clear glue.
Whoa!
Boy, that is
Wait, let
so
me use
pretty.
the other glue. Let me hear those. I said
You almost
yoga.
poked my eye out.
Sorry. Whoa! Now it looks like a real Christmas. Mine's Christmas slime.
Christmas slime. Christmas isn't for a long time.
There's ornaments. There's like juice.
Wait, I just realized we picked all the other ones and now there's only pink and yellow. I'm gonna pick
Is that even glue?
this one. It's blue glitter glue.
No!
Haha.
That's my favorite color. Lucky.
This is so nice. Look at this. Look. It's gushing out.
I really want to feel it. I'm gonna pick this one. Wow, this might be activator. Oh!
What?
It spilled.
For the next one, I think I'm going to pick this one. Wait, there's more than one kind of sprinkles. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it going in.
No way! I wish I picked that one.
Whoa! They look like fish eggs.
Wait, you want to eat them? Eat them.
I don't like fish.
No, dump a little bit in your mouth. Wait, do it to mine. Do it to mine.
Alright, your turn to pick. There's like 4 more.
This one.
Go.
It's more pink glue. It's pink glitter glue.
Whoa!
This is a real Christmas.
Now it's red.
There's red and
There's pink and red glitter glue.
whoa, cooler than that.
Alright, I'm going to pick this one. Whoa!
Whoa, no way!
It's glitter. Glitter looks nice and all, but when it gets stuck on your fingers,
You'll never.
it's the worst. Whoa! It's so.
Wait, there's like white beads.
There is so much glitter in here.
You got in my face. Angelo,
It does.
we have a big mess to clean up.
Oh yeah. Make sure you smash that like button if you want to help us clean this
And
mess.
make sure you smash that like button to give us good luck when we clean it up.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't get it more messy, just like Spider-Man messy webs. Well, spider webs, because there's spider webs on my hand.
Comment down below the biggest mess you've ever made in the whole story about it. Are you gonna pick the pink or the yellow?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's get it.
It's just not coming out.
Wait, make sure you do it over the bowl. Cause what if she says that all
It's clear glue.
Clear glue?
Yep.
Nice.
Or something else. Oh, whoa, whoa.
It looks like water.
It's coming out so fast. Ah! That was a weird sound. It's going all over the scissors.
I don't know, it feels kind of like beads or something like that.
More? Is it more glitter? Please say it's not more glitter.
What?
I think it's macaroni.
Oh my gosh!
It's macaroni, yes! I totally thought I was gonna pick the wrong one.
This is macaroni? What?
Yeah!
That,
Macaroni slime.
that is the weirdest thing ever. This looks amazing. Look at this.
Our slimes will be fully activated in 3, 2, 1.
Bam! These are our slimes. As much as I love my slime, like this is awesome, Mariah's slime looks amazing. Like it looks literally like a cloud heaven.
No, it looks like candy whale. So look, you see those beads? They look like the candy, but fidgets, edible fidget spinners.
I actually love Mariah's slime. Like
Better
when
than yours?
Yeah, I do. Like when she got so many beads, I didn't think it was gonna look good. But look how cool this is. And look, when she spreads it out, when you spread it out,
Look,
Look at the cloud.
It looks so cool because all the beads are in it. It just looks awesome.
I love her slime.
I'm pretty sure everyone would love mine.
Yeah, but comment down below whose slime you like more. Do you like mine or hers? Like, let us know because maybe you like mine more. I mean, I don't know.
I'm gonna make a slime ball. Ew, your macaroni looks so gross.
Yeah, but it actually feels really good though. It's like,
Feel mine.
yeah, yours feels really
Feel
good.
this
Cause like the shaving cream with like the clear pink glue feels awesome.
When you have a crunch it, the beads just feel so cool.
Before we continue this video, we would like to give a huge shout out to Noel XD30. Thank you so much for subscribing, hitting the bell, and commenting on all of our recent videos. We appreciate it so much. Before we continue, shout out to Sassy Katie for subscribing, hitting the bell, and commenting on our recent videos. Thank you so much. Okay guys, that was our video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Like, you gotta smash that like button. And also, comment down below more fun videos that we should do. And also, don't forget to comment down below whose slime you like better, my slime or Mariah's. Peace out, Dinkyland fam. Bye! It's just awesome. Guys, look at this. You look like a unicorn. Bah!
Wait, what? Do it again.
My hair is so fluffy.
Rudolph.
No,
Maybe
don't do
Rudolph.
it. Mariah, listen.
I'm Rudolph. Take it off my nose. Oh, I get my slime back. You get your ugly slime.
Look at my bracelet.
What? Oh, I'm gonna make my own bracelet. Two
Or
bracelets.
maybe I'll make them handcuffs. I'm a fugitive! Oopsie. Okay, guys.
My slime is better than who?